Hey guys, this is how to change a Bluesky username. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the Bluesky official site and make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, just simply click on your profile on the top left corner over here. And now once you are on your profile, you can just simply click on edit profile over here. And after that, guys, you should be able to change your display name over here. And after you provided your display name, you can just simply click on Save Changes. Now, if you want to change your handle, guys, just simply go to the settings over here on the left side. And after that, just simply go to the account. And now you should be able to just simply click on handle over here. And you should be able to change your handle over here. And now, after that, once the handle is available, you can just simply click on save over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.